Do you want better cutting technology while you save money on manpower? Advanced flame cutting and plasma cutting technology can now be yours in one simple machine that eliminates the need for too much manpower. Are you facing a challenging welding and cutting job? Now you can control every function of that job with total accuracy and very little effort or need for too much manpower. This machine pays for itself in only a few jobs. Here's how it works. Software-controlled digital precision combined with plug-and-play ease of use, lightweight portability, low noise, and substantial equipment stability all add up to the ideal cutting tool for the most demanding specs you might face on any job you get. This CNC machine is well suited for two-dimension cutting in different metals, from stainless steel to carbon steel. And, to keep costs in mind, you will greatly reduce the need for manpower on every job. Instead, you'll put your crew to work doing the things that will make you more money. Plus, you'll be happy to know that we have received our Singapore government grant approval for this and other high-tech applications. We also want to remind you that we provide a full-service knowledge team for all your needs. We can help you with everything on your list, from welding machine sales, rentals, repair, and servicing. Click the link to get more information today. www.welddoctor.com